Deep in India, tucked away in the Munger district of Bihar, is a town called ASARGANJ. This quaint town is often overlooked by travelers, but those who venture here find themselves enchanted by its charm and history. It's like a hidden treasure in the Magadh region, a place famous for its history. The Magadh region itself is steeped in ancient lore, having been a significant center of power in ancient India. ASARGANJ, with its serene landscapes and historical landmarks, offers a glimpse into this rich past. The town is old and has many stories to tell, stories of kings and empires from long ago. Walking through ASARGANJ, you can almost hear the whispers of history in the air. The ancient ruins and monuments stand as silent witnesses to the passage of time, each with its own tale of glory and decline. Visiting ASARGANJ is like stepping back in time, where things move slower, and life follows the sun and seasons. The quiet streets and traditional village life offer a stark contrast to the hustle and bustle of modern cities. Here you can truly appreciate the beauty of a simpler way of life. The people of ASARGANJ are very welcoming and friendly. They greet visitors with warm smiles and open hearts, eager to share their way of life. Their hospitality is a reflection of the town's rich cultural heritage. They're happy to share their stories and customs with visitors. Engaging with the locals provides a unique opportunity to learn about their traditions, festivals, and daily routines. It's a cultural exchange that enriches both the visitor and the host. As you walk through the town streets, you'll see all sorts of things, from busy markets to peaceful temples. The markets are vibrant and full of life, offering a variety of local produce and handmade goods. The temples, on the other hand, provide a serene escape, where one can find peace and reflect. ASARGANJ is a place where you can relax and enjoy the simple things in life. The relaxing countryside and simple village life are perfect for those looking to escape the chaos of urban living. Whether it's taking a leisurely stroll through the fields or sitting by a quiet stream, ASARGANJ offers a tranquil retreat. The town also comes alive during local festivals, where traditional dance and music fill the air. These celebrations are a testament to the vibrant culture and community spirit of ASARGANJ. Visitors are often invited to join in the festivities, making for an unforgettable experience. And let's not forget the local cuisine. The food in ASARGANJ is a delightful blend of flavors, with traditional dishes that have been passed down through generations. Watching the locals prepare these meals is a treat in itself, and tasting them is an experience you won't soon forget. As the day comes to an end, the sunset over ASARGANJ paints the sky in hues of orange and pink. It's a perfect way to conclude a day in this hidden gem of Bihar, leaving you with memories that will last a lifetime. Nobody knows exactly how old ASARGANJ is, but its history is a rich tapestry woven over centuries. The town's origins are shrouded in mystery, but its history goes back hundreds of years, possibly even millennia. Because it's near the Ganges River, a lifeline for many civilizations, it's seen many empires come and go, each leaving its mark on the town. From the Mauryan dynasty to the Mughal era, ASARGANJ was there, watching it all. The Mauryan dynasty, known for its significant contributions to Indian culture and politics, left behind intricate carvings and stone pillars that still stand today. A long time ago, during the time of Emperor Ashoka, a Buddhist, ASARGANJ was probably a place where travelers and traders could rest. Ashoka's reign brought a wave of Buddhism, and it's likely that ASARGANJ was a hub for Buddhist monks and scholars. Over time, ASARGANJ became a big trading center. Its strategic location made it a bustling hub for commerce. People from far away came to its markets, bringing spices, silks, and jewels. The markets were vibrant, filled with the sounds of haggling and the scents of exotic goods. You can still see signs of this history in the town's old temples, forts, and grand houses. These architectural landmarks tell stories of a bygone era, of a town that was once a thriving center of culture and commerce. The intricate carvings on the temple walls depict scenes from ancient myths and legends, offering a glimpse into the spiritual life of the town's past inhabitants. Today, ASARGANJ is a blend of the old and the new, where modern life coexists with the echoes of history. The town's streets are a living museum where every corner has a story to tell. The people of ASARGANJ carry forward the legacy of their ancestors, preserving the town's rich heritage while embracing the future. Children play near ancient ruins, unaware of the deep history that surrounds them. As night falls, the town's historical buildings are illuminated, casting a magical glow that transports you back in time. ASARGANJ is not just a town, it's a journey through history, a place where the past and present meet. ASARGANJ is next to the holy Ganges River, which is not just a river, but a lifeline for the town. The Ganges, revered as a goddess by millions of Hindus, flows majestically through the heart of India, bringing with it a sense of spirituality and sanctity. This proximity to the Ganges has profoundly shaped the town's culture, economy, and daily life. The river's presence has made a big difference to the town, influencing everything from religious practices to agricultural activities. The Ganges is not just a body of water, it is a source of life and inspiration for the people of ASARGANJ. Hindus believe the Ganges is a goddess, and this belief is deeply ingrained in the daily lives of the people here. Every day you can see pilgrims and locals alike performing rituals, offering prayers, and seeking blessings from the sacred river. The Ganges flows through the middle of India, connecting various towns and cities along its course. Its journey from the Himalayas to the Bay of Bengal is a testament to its enduring significance in Indian culture and history. Because of this, ASARGANJ is a very spiritual place. The riverbanks are often filled with people meditating, performing religious ceremonies, and finding solace in the tranquil waters of the Ganges. The steps down to the river, called ghats, are always busy. These ghats serve as the focal point for various activities, from daily chores to grand religious festivals. They are a hub of life and energy, reflecting the town's vibrant culture. People come to bathe in the holy water for blessings. The act of taking a dip in the Ganges is believed to purify the soul and wash away sins, making it a deeply spiritual experience for many. The Ganges River is also very important for farming in ASARGANJ. The fertile plains along the riverbanks provide ideal conditions for growing a variety of crops. Farmers rely on the river for irrigation, ensuring their fields remain lush and productive. People use the river to travel, making it a vital transportation route. Boats of all sizes can be seen navigating the waters, carrying goods and passengers to and from ASARGANJ. The river has helped farmers grow rice, wheat, fruits and vegetables for many years. The abundance of water ensures that the crops are healthy and bountiful, supporting the local economy and providing sustenance for the community. There are many stories and beliefs about the river. The Ganges is woven into the fabric of local folklore, with tales of its divine origins and miraculous powers being passed down through generations. You can even sometimes see the Ganges river dolphin, a rare animal in the water. This endangered species is a symbol of the river's rich biodiversity and the need to protect its delicate ecosystem. Because it's close to the Ganges, people from all over come to visit ASARGANJ. The town's unique blend of spirituality, culture, and natural beauty makes it a popular destination for tourists and pilgrims alike. The influx of visitors has also boosted the local economy, with markets bustling with activity and vendors selling a variety of goods. The river's influence is evident in every aspect of life in ASARGANJ, making it a truly special place. Most people in ASARGANJ are farmers. The land around the town is good for growing crops, especially rice. ASARGANJ is known for its good rice, which people eat all over the region. The town's weekly market is a busy place where farmers sell their food and people buy what they need. Besides farming, ASARGANJ has many skilled craftspeople. The carpenters are especially good, making beautiful furniture, statues and decorations. Recently, ASARGANJ has seen more small businesses like food factories, cloth makers and building material companies. ASARGANJ has many different cultures and traditions, just like the rest of Bihar. Hindus and Muslims live together peacefully in the town, sharing customs and respecting each other. The biggest festival is Chhath Puja, a 4-day celebration for the sun god. Another important festival is Muharram, remembering a special person in Islam. ASARGANJ is also known for its music and dancing, like Bhojpuri Geet and Jijia. ASARGANJ is changing quickly, just like the rest of India. There are new opportunities, but also new problems. The government is building better roads, giving more people electricity and improving phone and internet services. There are also more schools and colleges, so more people can learn. More people in ASARGANJ can read and write now, which helps them get better jobs. But these changes are also causing problems, like not enough resources and losing some old traditions. ASARGANJ is a nice town, but there are also interesting places to visit nearby. The city of Munger is close by and has old forts, tombs and markets. If you like nature, you should visit the Vikramshila Gangetic Dolphin Sanctuary. You can take a boat trip from ASARGANJ to see the rare Ganges River dolphin. Mandar Parvat, a special hill for pilgrims, is also close by. If you like history and old buildings, visit the Ujjaivinath temple. The Ganges River, called Ganga in Hindi, is more than just a river. It's incredibly important to millions of people in India. Hindus believe the Ganges is a goddess who came from heaven to make the earth pure. They believe the river's water can wash away sins, cure illnesses, and help people escape the cycle of life and death. The Ganges is also important for farming and provides food for many people. But the Ganges is in danger because of pollution, waste from factories, and changes in the weather. ASARGANJ is a unique town. It's a place where old and new things mix, where traditions meet modern life, and where the quiet life of the countryside continues even though the world is changing. ASARGANJ isn't for people who want fancy things. It's for people who want to see real life in India. When you walk through the town's streets, you'll see old temples with beautiful carvings, old houses with stories to tell, and the Ganges River flowing through it all. ASARGANJ reminds us that there are still places where life is simple and peaceful and old traditions are still important.